The City of Henderson now offers 11 approved parks for drone flying. But which park is actually the best place to fly? Some are perfect for cinematic and aerial photography. Others are better suited for training and practice. So I visited all 11 parks and ranked them from worst to best based on scenery, accessibility, flyability, and overall drone experience. Recently, Henderson expanded its list of approved parks by adding Sentiero Park in the west and Desert Symphony Park in the east. That brings the total number of approved drone parks across Henderson to 11. In this video, I'll count down all 11 locations and reveal which park stands above the rest as Henderson's top drone flying destination. Before flying any drone, always comply with all FAA regulations and local park rules. Recreational pilots should carry their FAA Trust Certificate, while commercial operators must possess a valid FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate. Always obtain airspace authorization where required and check with the City of Henderson for any local permit requirements before flying. And most importantly, fly responsibly and respectfully. Starting the list at number 11 is Amador Vista Park. This small neighborhood park offers a modest open grass area and basic space for casual drone flying. While functional for beginner practice flights, the park lacks the scenic variety and visual interest found at higher ranked locations. Amador Vista Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 5.8 out of 10. Coming in at number 10 is Weston Hills Park. The park features baseball fields, tennis courts, and open recreational areas, but overall offers limited cinematic appeal. Still, there's enough room here for basic recreational flying and maneuver practice. Weston Hills Park receives a LensCaptureOnline score of 6.1 out of 10. At number 9 is one of Henderson's newer approved drone parks, Desert Symphony Park. While still relatively small, the park offers improved visual appeal and more open flying space than some of the lower-ranked neighborhood parks. The layout works nicely for beginner flights and low-altitude cinematic practice. Desert Symphony Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 6.3 out of 10. Coming in at number 8 is another recent addition to Henderson's drone park list, Sentiero Park. This location offers a cleaner layout, more open space, and a slightly more scenic environment for practice flights and recreational flying. The wider open areas help make the park feel more comfortable for newer pilots. Sentiero Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 6.6 out of 10. At number 7 is Pointe Park. This smaller neighborhood park features attractive landscaping and several visually interesting elements that work well for low-altitude aerial shots. Operationally, it's straightforward and beginner-friendly. Pointe Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 7.0 out of 10. Coming in at number 6 is Esselmont Park. While modest in size, this park offers a surprisingly useful open area for practice flights and skill building. The simplicity of the layout makes it approachable for beginner pilots while still providing enough room for maneuver training. Esselmont Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 7.4 out of 10. At number 5 is Heritage Park. One of the largest parks in Henderson, Heritage offers enormous open areas and excellent room for practicing flight skills. The trade-off is activity level. Sports fields and community events can make this location extremely busy during peak hours, but during quieter periods, Heritage becomes an outstanding practice environment for drone pilots. Heritage Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 7.9 out of 10. Coming in at number 4 is Hidden Falls Park. This location delivers a completely different flying experience thanks to the surrounding desert hills and nearby Amagosa trail system. The terrain changes create stronger visual depth and more dynamic flight opportunities than many of the flatter neighborhood parks. Pilots should remain mindful of trail uses and obstacles, but visually, this park offers a unique southwest atmosphere. Hidden Falls Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 8.3 out of 10. Breaking into the top 3 is Mission Hills Park. This is one of the most balanced drone parks in Henderson. The combination of pathways, sports courts, open fields, and varied layouts creates excellent opportunities for both cinematic flying and recreational practice. The park remains visually interesting while still maintaining good operational space for pilots. Mission Hills Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 8.7 out of 10. Taking the number 2 spot is Terrazza Park. The elevated terrain here creates exceptional sightlines and gives your footage a natural sense of scale and depth. This park really shines during sunrise and sunset when the changing light enhances the surrounding landscape. The open visibility and scenic surroundings make Terrazza one of the most cinematic drone parks in Henderson. Terrazza Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 9.1 out of 10. And taking the number 1 spot for the best drone park in Henderson is Cornerstone Park. This park simply checks every box. The combination of water features, reflections, pathways, open space, and overall park design creates an exceptional environment for aerial photography and cinematic drone flying. Accessibility is excellent, the scenery is diverse, and nearly every direction offers interesting compositions. Like any popular park, pilots should remain aware of pedestrians and wildlife activity, especially around the lake. But overall, Cornerstone Park stands above the rest as Henderson's flagship drone flying location. Cornerstone Park earns a LensCaptureOnline score of 9.6 out of 10. With 11 approved drone parks now available across Henderson, pilots have more legal flying options than ever before. Some parks stand out for cinematic scenery, while others are better suited for training, practice, and recreational flying. And while Cornerstone Park takes the top overall spot, every location on this list offers something unique depending on your flying style and experience level. No matter where you fly, always operate safely, respectfully, and within FAA regulations. If you enjoyed this ranking, let me know which Henderson Park is your favorite place to fly. And if you'd like to see more drone location guides across Nevada and the Southwest, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and fly safe.